Hi everybody, it's Lisa here from How to Zazzle. Today I'm just going to show you really quickly how to customize this shirt for yourself or for a special grandma in your life if you want to give it to her for a gift. So just click on this link. I'll put it down in the description below. Just click on that and it will bring you to this page. So once you see this page, you're just going to go over here and click Personalize this template. And then you'll see the text and the picture on the shirt. So first we'll change the picture. So just go to Change. And then click up here on Upload Images. And that's going to take you to your computer or phone. So you can just like upload any pictures that you like. So it's going to, once you click on the picture, it's going to automatically fill in the square perfectly. Now, if you want to change text, you just go to Edit Text. And you can, fill in whatever you want right there. And see, as you type, it's going to change the text. So say you have, okay, let's fix this right here. Put in too many words there, so I'm just going to go down here. Okay, so see how that, fills that in right there. So you can stop right there if you like it and just add it to your cart and buy your shirt. If you want to further customize it, go down here and click on Click to Further Customize, or click to Customize Further. And like say you want to change these colors. So you can click on the frame, and it's way easier to do this on a desktop. I'm not even sure if it works on a phone, but anyway, just click on it and see how it outlines the outer frame. Now you can go over here and you can change the border to pink. If you want to change the text, you can change the font. You just click on the text and then click on the font you like. And you can just play around and, change things out as you want to. Over here, there's a bunch of different stuff, but mostly like the font and the colors you can change. So once you got it how you like it, you just click Done. And then you just click Add to Cart. And that's it. And then you can buy it. So that's it. I hope that you all have a great day, and let me know if it worked for you. If you have any issues, just post questions below. Okay, thanks. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.